You may think that if I'm going to give a lesson on description in Latin, that I'd say use adjectives. Uh, well, there's another way of doing description in Latin, and that's to describe somebody with a abstract quality. All right, so really this is use of abstract qualities like wisdom or beauty or stupidity or boldness. Use of abstract qualities to describe people or to describe things. But that's pretty clunky. So let's just call this description. And the example phrase that we'll use is, or that we can use is, a woman of great beauty. Right, so here you have a woman, there's a person who's going to be described, and she's described because of her great beauty. Right? Beauty is an abstract. Right? She's not, we could say, a very beautiful woman, but there's another way of doing this. So let's take a look at this. The first and easiest way is almost a word-for-word translation of our English phrase, a woman of great beauty. And that's to use the genitive of description. So we have our woman, femina, and then we have this phrase, and this is our genitive of description phrase, magnae pulchritudinis. Here's pulchritude, here's our genitive of description, and magnae modifying it. So a woman of great beauty. Or a man, a vir parvae sapientiae, a man of little wisdom. Or a puer mirabilis audaciae, here's our genitive of description, a boy of wonderful boldness. Sapientiae, audaciae, pulchritudinis are all abstract qualities that are describing the person. Now, one thing you should note in all of these is that each of these abstract qualities, whether it be beauty, wisdom, or boldness, is being modified by an adjective. So the genitive of description must be abstract quality plus adjective in the genitive. Right, so Latin couldn't say femina pulchritudinis, a woman of beauty. We just wouldn't find it. We would find a woman of great beauty, or a man of great wisdom, or little wisdom, but never just using the genitive of the abstract quality. Now, the same idea, the genitive of description, and the same format, that is an abstract quality and an adjective, can also be found in the ablative. And we call this the ablative of description. So you can think of these two side by side. The genitive of description and the ablative of description. And they translate identically. These are synonymous. There's no difference in meaning. So effeminae magna pulchritudine, a woman of great beauty. Or a vir parva sapientia, there's our ablative of description, a man of little wisdom. Or our puer mirabili audacia, of wondrous boldness. So again, we're going to have ablative abstract quality and adjective, which together serve as a describer, as a sort of adjective phrase together.